Amanyiwa ala ni makimanisio cha Machakos University mainena ivinda ila makomana naye ni sienda kivathukanio kukwata utethio ni mailesekana vena vata wa amanyiwa ala maminita utethekana siana na masia meoka makaendea na utwikwa.
As a dear student and also her mother, I'm very happy today that our governor of Machakos County has provided us, the mothers, with foodstuffs. Has provided us with things like diapers, which will help me reduce the cost and also save some money which I used to buy the diapers. The food I will cook for my son, he will not suffer. So we will request our mother, Wabina Ndeti, to provide us with more foodstuffs. In a month, I spent 1,400 to buy 2 diapers, and 1 diaper is 40 pieces. And it's not a must. I spent 2 diapers, I can spend more. Like when a child is sick, when the child is sick, I do spend more than 3 diapers.
Wevindani ni maendea na ukulia amanyiwa alangi maika mavathae ala matethekana siana mewetekana vya amanyiwa ingi makolete masomo nundu wa kuthekewa na kuvathwa vindani ila maitava.
I'm an expectant mom, and it has not been easy for me, especially accepting the fact that I was a leader, and it just happened that I became pregnant, and now trying to face the judgmental eyes in the Christian Union, especially being an example. You are expected to be an example to others, and now you have just ripped. It has not been easy for me. It has drained me mentally. I can say it's one of the challenges that we are facing as young mother and expectant mother, especially accepting yourself and accepting the reality that now you have to be in another ground.
Daniel Mwankela, Mutungo TV, kubaki manisio ni cha Machakos University County ni ya Masako.